won't believe what I did today. Well, when I got there, it was still maybe you need to get him on board. Well, the other team came in and they cleaned up. No, beg your pardon, the control team came in and they played somewhere else. And they won comfortably.
Baby corner was one there. Just in the pump. She's coming back up again. She's unrubbing at one point. Not bad. Good nerve, yeah. I think it I read something on the internet or in the paper that we're about to experience the coldest do the location, everything. This time, apparently do the location. You know how it was about 5 years ago, 2 years in a row, like that. All through December, end of November, through January, wasn't it? Hello? Instead of them just Becky! The order there's nobody there when you turned up. I didn't pay the amount. I mean, Vicky just took and left it, and it's so annoying. It's just in the view, there's something in the view, and you just want to move it out of the way, you know. Yeah. It's there for the whole time. Yeah. That's a pretty good one. What was it? Not looking. Yeah. Considering how far back we are. Another one. She's over it. Like right by the 200%. Well, just stood on her own.
What did she think of the video?
Doing all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Better than
Okay. Everyone. Yeah. But around this time of year. No, it's not anybody after Christmas.
She planned it up this weekend. They had it there for then she went back to school for like 3 weeks. And then
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I didn't have to go back to like, I was due on the 8th of September. And I didn't have to go back. But I could still take my maternity leave from the 1st of September.
oh, they don't have the apple.
I took the 1st of September, but I didn't have to go back. So I got paid for all the summer holidays and then I started maternity on the 1st of September without going back to work. Yeah, didn't count the summer holidays as maternity. Yeah. Yeah, well, you can see them outside. I can see them in the house from inside. Well, I don't know where they were. I don't know where they were.
They are. Everyone's like, I want some syrup. I'll let them have the little bit at the bottom that you can't really get. Oh, yes, it was the mum's girls of it.
The horrible ones. We did in school, but they were the red ones. You know the red.
Yeah, I was like, oh, it'll break your teeth.
Yeah. And
But if I let them have the bottom bit, you can't get to it, can you? It's just like that for a child, so you don't want them anymore.
yeah, yeah.
That was quite attractive, so you don't get
Let's see the finale.
My niece has got nystagmus. It's where your eyes go from side to side. Yeah, she's fine. So, it's like getting wobbly eyes because your eyes are wobbly. So they advertise them on the Facebook page and I was like, I love it. That means it's the one. It's the eye shape on it. Yeah. This little old woman lifts them. Sells them a tenner. So they're cool. Yeah. So I'm like, oh, say you because I hit you. Sorry, it's different. No, yeah, and she's got albinism as well. At the backs of her eyes, through the sunshine, the sunglasses got all that. Stop breathing, she's going in 7 minutes. Yeah, it's like her eyes go one way and the wobble comes like that because the brain's connected. They've got to vision and stuff. I call her Wobsy because I think when she starts school, someone says to her, you've got wobbly eyes. She's like, and everyone goes, you're beautiful. Or she said, and people say competition that I live, I'm beautiful. How old is she? 18 months. That's young to say that I'm beautiful. That's young to say I know that I'm beautiful. That's a young age. Yeah. I know that I'm beautiful. Oh yeah. That's me experience children. Everything she's got. Oh, beautiful. And she can talk, she goes, yeah, she's 18. It's not hard to eat now, remember? Yeah, we went that fast. What got any plans for New Year? I don't know if it's big actually. We're so to go now. We're just going up to Scotland with Mum and Dad. And I'm going to go and see my grandma for in Hampshire, but my mum and dad are driving straight from Wales, so but I kind of moved on a bit. I'd rather spend it with Rob. Yeah. So I'd move it down. So is he going to Scotland for New Year, did you say? Rob's going to Scotland, and he's spending Christmas here. He's going to be up there as well. He's going to be the same one. just like did that and just like really changed it soon and like to play through camera. It's just like clear, yeah. That's actually like a few times. I remember when I said I think I did. I remember my dad was on holiday. And that was really bad.
We've all had to make changes.
It's like something to get on.
Breathing to tell you what you know, like.
Yeah, me and Johnny went together this year. Yeah, and it feels like in a nice way. Someone else.
Wrong again.